cuties. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine and learning through my videos. Are you learning? Very good. So welcome back to Learn Forward Room. Hi kids, wear the cap. In today's class, I will tell you about clothing and stuff. Clothing are what? That we wear on daily basis. Okay? We wear many different clothes in our life. I will tell you about that. So let's start our class. Okay, so there are different types of clothes that we wear according to the weather. If it's cold, we wear sweaters. If it's summer, we wear cotton clothes. So we wear different clothes according to the climate. Okay, let's study that. So clothes protect us from cold. When it's very cold, we wear sweaters, coats, jackets. And if it's very rainy season, then we wear raincoats. And if it's very sunny, we wear cotton clothes. Okay, so clothes protect us from sun rays, cold and rain. Okay, so this is the cotton clothes help us cool. When we wear cotton clothes, we feel very cool, we feel very calm, okay, because it is made up of cotton, okay, like frock, like this is very cool, okay. Now this is woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep us warm. This is called woolen clothes. I'm wearing a coat, okay, it is made up of woolen. So woolen clothes keep us warm. वो हमें गर्म रखते हैं, ठीक है. When we feel very cold, जब हमें ठंड लगती है, we wear woolen clothes. Okay. Now see, it's raining here. Raincoats and gumboots keep us dry. When it's raining, we wear gumboots, we wear raincoats, we use umbrella, so it keeps us dry. वो हमें rain में भीगने से बचाते हैं. Okay. So it protects us from getting wet from rain. Okay. So see, there are many clothes here like frock, boots, sunglasses, slippers, sweaters, cap, one more cap, a tie, shoes, raincoats, umbrella, t-shirts, shorts. So all these are different types of clothes. Some are cotton clothes, some are woolen clothes and some are rainy clothes. Okay. So all these clothes are very important for our life because they protect us. Okay. Now this is the activity. We have to put a cross in the odd one out. We have to pick one odd one out. See, sweater, shirt, jacket. This is a jeans. So odd one out is jeans because jeans we wear on our legs, not on the upper. Okay. This is odd one out. The cross here. Next are shoes, slippers, sunglasses and gumboots. All these are our footwear, but sunglasses we wear on the eyes. So it's the odd one out. Okay. Next is jeans, frock, shorts and again a jeans. So frock is odd one out. Okay. Next is a belt, cap, hat, and this is a cap, woolen cap. Okay. So cap we wear on the head, hat also we wear on the head, and woolen cap also we wear on the head. But this is belt. Belt we tie on the waist. So belt is odd one out. Put a cross on belt. Okay. So these things are odd one out. That doesn't match with the row. Okay. That's it for today's class. In today's class, we learned about clothing and stuff and how clothes protect us from sun, from rain and from cold. Yes. So please don't forget it and keep practicing about it. Till then, happy learning everyone. Bye bye. Take care.